Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And a recession warning has caused the stock market to fall considerably today on Wednesday, with the Dow dropping more than 600 points at one point, and the S&P 500, as you can see, is down 2.3%, and the Nasdaq is down over 2% as well, issuing a new red daily trade triangle on the S&P 500. And that recession warning came when the yield on the benchmark 10-year Treasury note broke below the 2-year rate, which is an odd market phenomenon that has been a reliable indicator for economic recessions in the past. So we'll have to keep an eye on it and watch. Read the copy below. There's a little bit more tidbits on what this indicator means and how long the timing is. I think you'll find it kind of interesting. It's usually not an immediate impact, but we'll go ahead and focus on the actual stocks themselves right now. So S&P 500 trading at 2,861.09, down 2.2% on the day, with a chart analysis score -70, indicating that we're still in a sidelines position. And as you can see, I had added a 50-day moving average, which is this blue line here. And I noticed in the last few days, mainly on the 8th, we tested it, stayed below it on the 9th, dropped, tested it yesterday, we were up 1.5%, and then our late afternoon trading dropped back from that level, closing at 2,926.32, below the 50-day moving average. And then we're lower today, currently trading at 2,861.09. Key level to watch, we'll give you the monthly number since we're kind of midweek right now. 2,728.81. A move below that level would issue a red monthly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long-term short position for the S&P 500. Dollar index conversely going higher right now, up about 0.2% on the day. Chart analysis score remains plus 100 with green trade triangles across the board, currently trading at 97.93. Key level to watch should be 97.03. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position. Dow Jones currently down 589 points. Had been down as much as 623 points in trading at one point, currently down 2.2% with a chart analysis score -70, trading below that 50-day moving average, much like the S&P 500, currently trading at 25,690.52. Key level to watch remains 24,680.57. A move below that level would issue a red monthly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short position for the Dow. Nasdaq currently trading at 7,823.21, down 2.4% on the day with a chart analysis score -70, again indicating that we are in a sidelines position for the Nasdaq. And again, you can see the Nasdaq tested that 50-day moving average yesterday, only to close below it, and we're heading lower today, so it's definitely going to be a level of resistance that we need to keep an eye on moving forward. Key level to watch should be 7,292.22. A move below that level would issue a red monthly trade triangle, indicating a move to a short position for the Nasdaq. Gold currently trading at 1,527, meeting some pressure along these levels. As you can see across the top of the chart, issued a red daily trade triangle at 1,505.20 on the 12th, indicating a short-term sidelines position for a short-term time frame. However, the long-term trend is still up for gold, with the chart analysis score plus 85 with a green monthly and a green weekly trade triangle. Key level to watch today would be 1,531.50. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short-term long position for gold. We'll take a look at crude oil, falling 3.79% after gaining a little over 3% yesterday, trading at 54.32 with a chart analysis score -85. Indicating that overall we're still in a long-term downtrend and just had come under some short-term strength. Key level to watch today would be 54.11. A move below that level will issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short-term short position for crude oil. We'll get out of here. Go take a look at Bitcoin. Currently down 1.1% on the day, trading back below 11,000 at 10,462, falling below its 50-day moving average, with a chart analysis score plus 55, indicating that overall we're still in a long-term uptrend, but it's coming under some recent weakness. So your key level to watch remains 9,111. A move below that level would give us a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for Bitcoin. With that, every success. Have a great trading day, and I'll be back at the end of the week to give you some key levels to watch next week.